It's a pretty windy weekend, probably one of the last good weekends for camping before it gets real cold. And we are going to be trying to do some off-roading. We're going to go to the cool little trail called China Wall, and then we'll try to do some fishing after that.
See how it goes.
Yep.
Might be too windy.
It might be windy. It's very windy, as I'm sure you can hear.
We'll try.
We'll try.
It's at 15. No, it's at 14.
The China Wall Trail has two trailheads, actually. We're at the southern one, which is the lesser of the two as far as traffic. But if you start at this trailhead, you get to go up to a pretty cool set of obstacles that otherwise you wouldn't get to see. So it's not really like a loop trail, it's kind of just like a whole network of trails with obstacles. It's pretty fun though, so let's go do it. Here's a set of Jeeps. We'll wait for them to go and then we'll head out behind them. One common misconception when you're out on the trails is that when you see a closed gate, it's locked. That's not always true. A lot of times it's just a cheaper version of a cattle guard, basically. You shut it behind you. I mean, it's still public land. You know, this one says close the gate behind you on it, so just because you see a closed gate doesn't mean it's locked. That obstacle?
Yeah. passenger seat.
Really?
Yeah, because the rock is huge, and so you come up on it and you're like, all I see is this giant rock.
No, it's still chained.
It looked like it was open. Camped here because we're trying to avoid the wind. So we're trying to get by a big rock, and this one magically has a really nice tree. So we've triangulated ourselves near the tree and the rock to prevent the wind. Also, there's a magical fire pit here.
It is pretty cool.
It's ginormous. It's like a castle. It's the castle of fire pits.
Too bad there's fire bans.
Mm-hmm.
Sucks.
Ugh.
Gosh.
Yay! Done.
This is a pretty good little cove though.
Yeah, check out
It's
this.
got shade and trees and rocks. This tree is huge, by the way. Jeez. What have you found?
I found a fort.
Found a fort?
Yeah, it's a fort. And I'm fixing it. Some pieces seem to have fallen down. Blueberry in there. Delicious. Ow.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
The wind did eventually die down and it ended up being a good night. Anyway, we just had our breakfast and we're gonna head home. So thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. And if you didn't, downvote the shit out of it. See you next time. Thanks.